In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the tool chest in Bluebeam. The tool chest is your shortcut to working faster in Revu by saving your frequently used markups, symbols, and measurements so you can reuse them anytime without rebuilding them from scratch. Let's walk through how to set it up and make it work for you. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Once your file is on screen, you're ready to bring the tool chest into view. You can open the tool chest panel by clicking the tool chest icon on the left panel bar, or by going to the top menu and choosing View, then Panels, then Tool Chest. The panel will appear with sections that hold your save tools, and it's designed to keep them organized and easy to access. Now let's save something you want to reuse. Create or select a markup symbol or measurement on your PDF that you know you'll use again. With that item selected, click Add Tool in the tool chest. Bluebeam saves it with its appearance and properties, so things like color, line weight, text style, and fill carry over next time. This is great for standardizing your markups, keeping your drawings consistent across a project, and cutting down on repeated setup. If you have variations like a red revision cloud versus a green one, save each variation so you can place the exact one you need with a single click. To keep everything tidy, organize your saved tools into custom tool sets. Think about how you work. You might have one set for architectural markups, another for electrical, or even a set dedicated to punch lists or shop drawing reviews. Clear names make it easy to find what you need, and grouping related items together reduces hunting and scrolling. Over time, this structure becomes a big productivity boost, especially when you share a common tool set with your team to keep everyone aligned. When you're ready to reuse a tool, it's as simple as dragging and dropping. From the tool chest, click and drag the saved item onto your PDF and place it where you want it. It will come in with the same look and settings you saved. You can resize, rotate, or adjust it after placing, and it will behave just like any other markup. If you're reusing measurement tools, make sure your document scale is correct, so the results reflect real-world values. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, open the tool chest, add tools you want to reuse, organize them into meaningful sets, and drag them onto your drawings as needed. With a little setup, the tool chest becomes one of the most powerful time savers in Bluebeam Revu.